Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Going on a run because I'm getting fat, so I need to not get any fatter.
Okay, ready?
My dad's for wrestling. Are you gonna pop that?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Sit down, open it.
Might be loud.
Uploading this video.
Okay, guys, might be loud.
Dominic Mysterio's wearing a Jason mask. Oh, here's Miracle. Okay, so here's the titles. I'm waiting to show y'all Dominic.
Come on, give it to Ray, then he can retire and get my point.
Wasn't he supposed to retire like a long time ago?
Look at Dominic.
did,
Oh
and then he
my
came back.
god. There's Dominic. Wow, they gave her a new look. She looks like she's Evil
I like the
Paige.
one up on the back.
Hi guys, today's Monday, and I was going on a run and I see these two dead owls. I'm shook. Double homicide. Hi y'all. Well, that sounded bad. He's working on the truck for the first time in today.
No,
just
not
kidding.
a good time.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I heard some type of bad news happen. A fail. We'll get back to you later. Okay, he's ready to have a camera on him. I almost showed his ass hanging out. I'm gonna fix that.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. He's dremeling a thing out so that way he could put a screw through it. Guys, like it. It's almost done. Hopefully soon.
It's pretty much done. Just got like a few things left.
He is excited about the light. So he looks like most people all get. Can't see
Wait. Here we go.
We were driving. I have these headphones on because mosquitoes keep buzzing by my ear. But anyways, we were driving and he wanted to go down a dirt road, and we did. And the dirt turned out to be softer than what he expected. So now we're stuck and we're waiting for his dad to come help us, and it's very miserable out here.
And we're getting bit the fuck up by mosquitoes, and it's just beautiful out here. Right next to the, like, literally like 20 feet from the fucking water, like river.
And it's not even water. It's like a very shallow wash from a river that's like miles
Well,
away.
it's the Gila River.
I know, but it's like the shallow part. Like, I could go walk in that and it would maybe go up to like my ankles.
Right. Oh, no. There's a part of it that'll go up to your knees.
Oh, yeah, I used to go swimming out here when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I got scraped from the stupid door. It's been a terrible experience. I had to take off my shirt because I was sweating so bad. And then the bugs are obsessed with me because I reflect any sort of light, so they just always follow me. And I want to die.
Goodbye.
But I'm going to the post office to continue my eBay, whatever you call it. Look at the way my boyfriend's wearing his mask.
You're wearing a mask.
Today is Wednesday. Not sure if I said yesterday was Tuesday in my video, but today is Wednesday, y'all. Look at the nice stuff. So we're behind the Harkins. So anyways, as I was saying, look at the nice rain in the trees. Looks like a little cute river. My boyfriend's over there. We're at the movies. We're about to see The Forever Purge. He's in the bathroom going pee. Excited to see the movie. Outfit 1.
Yas.
He looks cute, doesn't he? Turn around. It's Thursday and my boyfriend's about to finally clean his battery on his Buick. I would go record it, but it's so hot. Maybe when he's actually pouring the stuff on it. Siri said it was supposed to rain at midnight, but right now it's like 8 p.m. Excuse me, sir, this is incorrect. It's Friday and look at the weather. This is the weather that I live for. My people come from here. Gray skies, cool temperatures, and wetness. Look at that, they just flicker. They just flicker. Tech 9. Got another little dead birdie. All these birds be done and I don't know why. It's a nice Saturday. Can you hear the rain? It's raining outside. Hopefully you saw that. Sitting in the Speedway parking lot having breakfast. It's all nice and rainy. Alright guys. That's the end of this video. What is your problem?
Okay, it's all dark. We'll be all depressed.
Like, comment, and subscribe and do all that.
Boo-hoo. Life sucks. Goodbye.
Hope John Jing.
I'm a tornado. He a puppy to me, he could wear a say so.